Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you in HSS how we work on areas that are in an undercut situation. If we take a look at this part over here, you'll note that these surfaces around over here are actually an undercut to the wall above it. So, and the only way that we can do this is by using HSS, and obviously when we do it we must use the proper tool to get this job done. And in this particular case we'll use a type of tool called a lollipop tool, as we will see within our operation. I'll start my HSS operation and I'll use the option of morphed between curves. Now the geometry that I will use will be my selected faces as shown over here. In other words, I want to work on these faces over here, including this area that's undercut from this top wall over here. Next, I'll have my start edge as this edge along here, and my end edge will be my second contour being this edge as shown over here. Now, in my tool area, I'll choose my lollipop and mill, as shown over here. You can see that this type of a tool, I can actually work on an undercut over here. And I'll simply select that tool. In my toolpath parameters, I'll change my maximum step over to 0.2 millimeters. Now, in my link area, I'll be using my lead in and my lead out. In my gaps along cut, I'll change that to direct, and in my links between slices, I'll change it to direct as well. Now, in my default lead in and out, I'll change from tangential arc to vertical tangent arc. Now when I do save and calculate and simulate my part, now use the HostCAD simulation, you'll see that my toolpath is going down on the part itself, and in this area you can see my tool is actually going back, meaning it's working exactly on the undercut itself. If I were to use my Solid Verify simulation, you'll see that my tool will go down, work exactly over here, and note it's actually going out a little, in other words, in order to machine that undercut that's underneath that part, as we see over here, giving for a nice finish on that surface itself. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.